Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to text in Elementor. This is a fundamental skill that will allow you to create clickable text within your pages, whether you're linking to other pages on your site, external resources, or downloadable files. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site management happens, so make sure you're signed in with your admin credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main navigation options. In that sidebar, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your WordPress site. From here, you'll need to locate the specific page you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor editor interface, giving you full visual control over your page design. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll need to locate the text editor widget. If you already have a text editor widget on your page, simply click on it to begin editing. If you don't have one yet, you can drag a text editor widget from the left panel onto your page. This widget is your main tool for adding and formatting text content in Elementor. Within the text editor widget, type or paste the text you want to display on your page. This could be a sentence, a paragraph, or even just a few words. The important part comes next. Highlight the specific words or phrase that you want to turn into a clickable link. For example, if your text says, "Click here to visit our contact page," you might highlight just the words "contact page" or the entire phrase "click here." With your text highlighted, look for the Insert/Edit Link button in the editor toolbar. This button typically appears as a chain link icon. Click on it, and a link field will appear where you can paste your URL. Make sure you paste the complete URL into this field, including the http fun// or https:// at the beginning. Finally, click the Apply button to save your link. Your highlighted text will now appear as a clickable link on your page. When visitors click on it, they'll be taken to the destination you specified. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to text in Elementor, making your content more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.